guys, we're back. It's been a long time, but this is like where I caught my 12-10. So we're gonna see what happens tonight.
You got a mouthful of hooks.
Yeah. That's pretty interesting there.
Oh, wait, if he gets off, he's okay. He's only like 2.5.
Well,
It's a fish.
he sure hit it hard, didn't he?
He hit it violently. I thought I was gonna lose my stuff.
You got it now. Just clamp down.
Before you let it go, hold it up.
She's gonna take a picture.
Razor sharp.
I'll put mine on now. I can't handle that.
Yeah. First topwater bass all summer. Wow.
That's two. They're definitely liking the top water stuff. Where is that at? Where's your pliers? Right there to your left. You're right, I mean.
I think he got it. I didn't even hear you hit it.
Oh. Well, I was like, what's going on? Is that the jitterbug?
Yeah. I can't see. There we go. Oh, man, thank you.
Oh, he choked it.
Sure did. He took it.
I let him take it.
He waited for a minute too, man. That was good. Give it up, I'll take a picture of it.
Choked it. Oh, we may need the pliers on that one.
Let him get a picture.
Turn this on.
Crazy.
Yeah. Oh, dang.
Wait, run fast, bud.
Dang, I'm taking my run.
Don't let no slack in me.
Oh, he's pulling my drag.
You got him in mind.
Yay.
Little stupid. He's got one. He bit my string. I don't know how big he is. He's only about 3.5. Don't drop him.
Finally.
Yep, shaky he is. They want a full finesse bait. Give me a picture.
On the shaky head. Oh, it's fat.